Hello everyone. So today we are solving question number 48 of GATE 2024 psychology paper. So the question says, in which of the following methods are variables not actively manipulated? So they're asking not again, that is something that you need to keep in mind again. So if we all know that in experimental research, manipulation of data is done. And again here, this is not your answer because we are saying not manipulated, right? So इन सभी ऑप्शंस में से ये तीनों ही ऑप्शन आपके करेक्ट हो जाएंगे. इन ऑब्जर्वेशनल मेथड, कोरिलेशनल मेथड एंड डिस्क्रिप्टिव रिसर्च अगेन वी do manipulation of data. So actively manipulation of data, data is done in these three options. So these three options become your answer of MSQ.